Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to purchase BNB on MetaMask. For that, first of all, you just have to launch your MetaMask mobile application and then you just have to log into your account. Now, once you have successfully logged in, the first thing that you need to make sure is that you have successfully selected BNB Smart Chain. In order to do this, you will have to tap on this drop arrow button and after that, you will have to select BNB Smart Chain. Only then you will be able to see BNB over here. Now once you have found BNB, you simply need to tap on BNB and then you will be landed on the next page where you are going to see the chart of BNB and also its current price. Now over here you need to scroll down and in the bottom you are going to see this buy button. So you need to tap on the buy and then you will be landed on the next page where you will have to enter the amount of BNB that you want to purchase. After that, you can even select your currency. So as per your country, you can select your currency and then you can choose your payment method. Now, if you tap on this payment method, then it will show you all of the payment methods that you can use to purchase BNB on MetaMask. It really depends on your own country, so you just have to select the method that is best suited for you. For this video, I have selected debit and credit card. Then you need to tap on the fetching quotes option in the bottom and then you need to wait for some time until it redirects you on the next page. Now over here, you just have to tap on continue with the RM network and then you just have to follow further on-screen instructions in order to purchase BNB on MetaMask. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.